Jace, you really hammered this in hard.
Yeah, I know.
Here, you can hammer in a new one.
Okay. I like the little ones better. That one's hard. Sorry, did I smack the other
Alright, see if you can take them back out. Jace, after you screw yours. Just press the button a little. You don't gotta give it full gas. There you go. Alright. Now look. See this little button right here?
Yeah.
Now you can take them out.
Wait.
No, press the trigger now.
This
Yeah, press the trigger.
and this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hold it on straight, yeah. Hey, hold on. Look. You gotta hold it straight. Like that. Now press the button.
This one?
Yeah. There you go. Good job. Here, Brian. Just hold both hands down there. There you go.
Okay, this one's hard. It's definitely hard to do.
The big ones are harder.
Yeah.
Hold on. There, make sure it's down like that, and then push.
Got that one.
Now you're getting it, bud. But make sure you push down on it when you do it.
I'm getting it.
Just push the trigger a little. You don't have to push it all the way down. When you push it all the way down, it makes it go really fast.
You're getting it. Cool. So that when I count to 1, 2, 3.
Push down hard.
When I count to 1, we switch.
There you go.
Got it.
Good job. All right, Briar, can you screw it in?
Yeah. This, and then press this, and then you can get it out. You don't forget this button.
All right, Jace, I'll show you. Put it inside there,
Okay.
and then pull.
Okay. Yeah, can you turn on the music?
Yeah, we'll turn the music on after y'all get done.
Helping us?
Mm-hmm.
I can't get this one.
All right. I'll get that one. You just go to the... Oh, there you go. I think you got it. Yep, you got it. Now just twist it in a little bit by hand, Briar. It'll make it easier.
Okay. Easy now.
You got it. It's in there.
Okay, I'm done with mine. Okay. Let's see. Now you get to drill in. Bump it.
Twist it in my hand a little bit. Make it easier on you.
Like, yeah. Do them. The big ones are hard. Yeah. Oh. The little ones are easy. Okay, this one just got down from it.
Nice. Got it in one try.